Hello and welcome back to Top 10s You Should Know. Let's be honest, raising a family on a tight income can feel like walking a tightrope while juggling bills, groceries, and hopes for a better future. You work hard, yet sometimes it feels like the money disappears before the month even begins. But here's the truth, you don't need a bigger paycheck to build stability. You need smarter systems. Small, consistent changes in how you handle money can turn constant stress into quiet confidence. So today, let's talk about 15 powerful budget hacks that real families are using to stretch their income, save money, and finally breathe a little easier. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Give every dollar a job. Most families fail financially because their money has no direction. When your paycheck arrives, it should already have assignments: groceries, rent, savings, utilities, transport. This method is called zero based budgeting, and it ensures that every dollar you earn serves a purpose before it's spent. It's not about restrictions, it's about clarity. When you tell your money where to go, it stops disappearing without reason. This hack turns chaos into control and helps you see exactly what's left for savings or fun. 2. Cook at home, but smarter eating out drains more money than most realize. Even cheap fast food adds up. Cooking at home saves hundreds, but the real hack is to meal plan. Choose budget-friendly recipes that share ingredients. Make a list before shopping so you don't waste food or buy random snacks. Batch cook meals on weekends and freeze portions for busy days. This isn't just about money. It's about reducing stress and building healthier habits as a family. 3. Use the 24-hour rule for purchases. Impulse buying is the enemy of tight budgets. The 24-hour rule means whenever you want something that's not essential, wait one full day. If you still feel you truly need it after that, go ahead, but most of the time, the urge fades. This single delay can save families hundreds each month. It teaches both kids and adults self-control and mindfulness in spending. 4. Cut the subscriptions you forgot about. In the digital age, families bleed money through forgotten subscriptions, streaming, apps, software, memberships. Go through your bank statement once a month and cancel what you don't use regularly. Many people discover they're paying for the same service twice under different names. Keep only what brings real value. The savings can go straight into your emergency fund. 5. Use cash for discretionary spending. Swiping cards feels painless, which is why we overspend without realizing. When you use cash, you feel the exchange, and it changes your decisions. Withdraw a set amount each week for groceries, entertainment, or dining. When it's gone, it's gone. No overspending. This method also helps kids understand the real value of money when they see it physically leave your hand. 6. Buy in bulk. Strategically buying in bulk can save money, but only if you do it wisely. Focus on non-perishable essentials like rice, beans, pasta, cleaning products, and toiletries. Avoid bulk perishables that might go to waste. Join a local co-op or warehouse membership to share large purchases with another family. You'll spend less per unit and save time on repeated trips. 7. Turn family time into no-spend fun. Fun doesn't have to cost money. Instead of going out every weekend, create traditions at home: movie nights with homemade popcorn, park picnics, or board game tournaments. The key is to make memories, not bills. Kids remember laughter, not receipts. Over time, this not only saves money, but builds stronger family bonds. 8. Negotiate your bills annually. Most people don't realize you can negotiate your internet, phone, and insurance bills. Call your providers once a year and ask for loyalty discounts or promo rates. Companies would rather keep you than lose you. A few polite calls can save hundreds yearly. Also, shop around. Loyalty shouldn't cost you money. 9. Use the envelope system for categories. Divide your spending into physical envelopes: groceries, gas, kids, entertainment. When the money inside runs out, that's your cap for the month. This method enforces discipline naturally without complicated apps or tracking tools. It's old school, but it works, especially for families trying to break free from overspending habits. Number 10. Shop off-season. Buy winter clothes in spring and school supplies after back-to-school season ends. Retailers clear inventory with massive discounts, up to 70% off. Plan ahead and store items for future use. This hack saves families hundreds each year without sacrificing quality. 11. Create a needs versus wants chart. Sit down as a family and define what's a need and what's a want. This builds awareness and teaches children valuable financial values early. When everyone agrees on priorities, money arguments drop. Hang this chart where everyone can see it. Before buying anything, check which side it belongs to. 12. Start a side hustle together. A tight income doesn't have to mean limited opportunity. Maybe mom can sell crafts online, dad can take freelance gigs, or the kids can help with a small home project. Turning family creativity into income not only helps financially, it builds teamwork and pride. Start small, stay consistent, and reinvest profits into savings or debt. 13. Plan use what you have. Weeks. Once a month, challenge your family to avoid grocery shopping and use whatever's already at home. It encourages creativity in meals and clears out the pantry while saving money. You'd be surprised how many meals you can make with ingredients you already have. 14. Automate your savings. The moment income arrives, set up an automatic transfer, even a small one, to your savings account. When saving becomes invisible, it becomes consistent. Treat it as a non-negotiable bill you pay to your future self. Over time, it grows without effort. This hack transforms saving from someday to done. 15. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Budgeting can feel restrictive at times, but remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. When your family sticks to the plan for a month, celebrate. Watch a movie, cook something special, or just talk about how far you've come. Gratitude keeps motivation alive. Saving money isn't just about cutting back, it's about gaining control of your story together. So, those were the top 15 budget hacks for families on a tight income. Remember, budgeting isn't punishment, it's protection. It's about taking back control from chaos and teaching your kids lessons that will last a lifetime. Even on a small income, you can build a big future when every dollar has a purpose. Which of these hacks will your family try first? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top 10s You Should Know.